everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey Mel.
What's going on today?
So we're gonna try something.
Okay.
I've never tried this before.
Looks
We've got
cool.
we have a pan down here to catch the water. We've got some 2x4s just to raise our 2-liter bottle. And then there's actually a little hole under this duct tape.
Okay.
Here.
And I noticed it's a little dark.
It's a little dark because we're also gonna be using a laser pointer.
Yay.
And so what I'm gonna have you do, Mel, is I'm gonna hold this bottle.
Okay.
And you're gonna very
slowly,
nicely but quick,
okay,
pull that duct tape off, and I'm gonna take the laser pointer and we're gonna try and aim the laser pointer through the hole that we drilled in the 2-liter bottle. Okay, and we're gonna see what happens. Ready?
Okay, let's see what happens.
Okay.
Ready, set. Whoa!
Is that cool?
The laser is going down.
Yep. So instead of going straight across, it's following. It's kind of getting stuck in that water.
Yay!
Is that cool?
Isn't that like cool? It's not going straight across.
That's super cool. Yep. And so one of the things to remember with this is we needed some air coming up here, so that you wouldn't get wet. I just kind of slacked it,
and it went
as soon as that. As soon as that water started coming off.
Make sure you have a pan and some paper towels.
Right, or I mean, you can always do it outside too.
Right, do it outside. We did it in here.
So anyway, I thought this was something cool to show you. Guys, if you liked this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.
Bye.